Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can pin a comment on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, find your post on which you want to pin a comment. Then tap on it. After that, tap on comments icon. Next, find the comment which you want to pin. Then long press on it. After that, you can see the option of pin. Tap on it. So, this is how you can pin a comment on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.